My name is Eva, your software productivity coach.
Okay, so welcome to today's class. We are talking about HandBrake today. HandBrake, HandBrake, HandBrake. Okay, so HandBrake is a free open source video transcoder that allows you to convert videos into formats that you can work with. But one important thing about HandBrake is that it transcode these footages, like it doesn't reduce the quality but it reduces the size. All right, so one of the best, HandBrake didn't pay me any money or didn't say I should advertise, but when you're using something that is good, it's good to let the public know about it so they can also be helped. All we want is provide solutions. So one of the things I do with HandBrake is I just get in my files and then convert so that the quality is not really tampered with. All right, but I get my file size small to be able to upload on various platforms, social media, anywhere I want to upload it. So let me explain a few things. We have what they call folder bash scan here. This is where you upload a folder that has a lot of files. Okay, so you can actually queue them. But my focus today is to tell you that you can use HandBrake and just do just convert a file, not necessarily I'm not doing batch converting today. So let me convert a file, open file. Okay, let me see. Now, before we go ahead, we're going to check the file size, and when we are done, we'll check the file size. Open video file. Look at this, open video file. So let's open the video file. These are my files. Okay, let's say see this one. It has 32. Okay, this is 220 MB. Now, if I want to convert this, I just click on it and click on open. Then one of the things I do is to choose the preset I want to use. All right, for things I want to upload online, I just quickly go to web. I go to web. If I want to convert to, I want to play it in my device, what I do is I choose Android 480p 30. This one is just okay for me to use in my phone. All right, and the file size is small. If I want to post it somewhere on social media, I can decide to use social 25 MB. So let me use social 25 MB and find out what size it will be at the end of the conversion, because presently it's 222. So let's go. Now, at this point, you would choose where you want the file to appear when you're done. So let me browse. I want it to appear, let it just appear inside this caption so that it will be easy for me to locate and show you at the end of the day. So let's go. The next thing we're going to do is we are done to look at this is open source. That's when you want to import your video, add to queue. That's when you have batch files to convert. You add each one to the queue after selecting the preset you want to use. But today I am just working on a single file. I just want to show you how a big size like 222 can be reduced and the quality is not really that tampered with. All right, so that is the focus of this video, to tell you that you can use HandBrake to do that. So it's for you to go and explore and do more with HandBrake, but my focus today is to expose you to HandBrake and what it can do for you. Thank you very much. So let's go ahead and click start encode. It's encoding. You can check the percentage here, 20% done. It's just as encoding, it's encoding. There are a lot of other settings you can find out here inside the HandBrake, but trust me, you gotta explore. If you were looking for a software to use to convert your video files and maintain the quality of the video, HandBrake is one of the best software you can use. I said one of the best because obviously there are a lot of software that are coming up that we don't even know. So there are other best, but one of the best and the one that works for me and I have used is HandBrake. So I'm just introducing us to HandBrake. All right. So we are using HandBrake right now. So now it's done. Q finished. Q finished is done. So let's go and check and look at the differences between the both files, videos, capture, and check the size of the file. Okay, now this is 45 MB, very small to upload in any place. Very small to upload. This video is, look at it, 45.7 MB. Let's go to the one we converted. Okay, what we converted was 2, right? Let's move it so we can see the difference. All right, so look at the two videos. All right, so this is 45.7, look at it, 45.7 MB, and this is 220 MB. The same video, it has been converted from this to this. Now let's check the quality. We'll open this with media player, window media player, and open the other one with VLC. Let's check the two videos. Okay, so let's open this one, the bigger one, with VLC and compare both. Obviously, this is high quality, all right, 220 MB. Now let's check the other one. Now, this is the converted. If you notice, it's really, really small, but let's expand and see if the difference will be that much. Now, this is the converted. Would you say that the quality is so low because the size is so low I can't use it? No way. So this is HandBrake. This is what HandBrake can do for you. There are a lot of other things HandBrake can do for you. Convert from one format of file to the other. Thank you very much for watching. And from today, you know that you can use HandBrake to do that. Reduce the size so you can upload on social media without really tampering with the quality of your video.